Our flash people.
I don't know why that's there. Do you like it?
I do.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. It's perfect.
I'm getting today's video up. I'm trying to work on the thumbnail. I don't love this, so I think I'm going to get another screenshot from the video. Maybe not. Hi guys, I think I filmed for like a second this morning. Wow, my face is white. I just tanned, but I don't put it on my face because I just don't want my face to break out. But see, the other day I started packing and I thought I was like doing a good thing, and now I'm like just as stressed as if I hadn't started. I don't know why I think I need to bring so much. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear on the plane. I have to go get my nails done in like 2 hours. I'm trying to figure out with Julia if we should get bowls in between. It's just like, why am I doing this to myself? It shouldn't be this hard. It doesn't need to be this hard. I need to make a list. That's what I need to do. I need to write everything down because I have a list on my phone, but then I also like to write it on paper. And I'm not one of those people that like plans their outfits. I can't do that. I tried that once. It's not for me. So to write down everything I need in my carry-on and in my suitcase. So, suitcase. This pen doesn't work. Alright, suitcase. What romper? Do I own a romper? I mean, I have a cover-up that's a romper. Oh, because I had ordered one, but I returned it. Alright guys, I just put some makeup on and I'm a little less stressed out. We're looking a little bit better. Although my cardigan I was gonna bring, because my mom said it's cold, has crap all over it. I don't know. I remember spilling it, but I don't know why I didn't wash it. So I don't know what to do about that now because I don't really have a good cardigan to like bring. I'm bringing my jean jacket, but I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna leave now because I need to run to the store really quick and get hand sanitizer wipes, and Dylan needs ranch dressing. And then I'm going to get myself an acai bowl because Julie and I were gonna go in between, and then I was like, oh, I don't think we'll have enough time, so I'm just gonna go now by myself, which I'm not a big fan of, but we'll make it. Alright, so I went to the store because Dylan needed ranch and we're having salad tonight. And I wanted to get like the sanitizing wipes because I might be crazy, but I know Haley and I did it. We like to wipe down the airplane chairs. The saying is, I like to wipe down like the chairs on the airplane, and then I was looking at just like cruise tips this morning on Pinterest, and it said to wipe down like the door handles and like I don't know. I'm weird about germs the older I get. It's just like, ugh. So they didn't have them, but Dylan said he'll go and check after he gets out of work to see if another place has them. But now I'm circling around in circles trying to find a parking spot because I want to go get an acai bowl before I get my nails done. Is that a spot? I don't think so. Why is Portsmouth so busy right now? It's a Friday. Shouldn't you people be at work? Wow, there's no spots. It's 12 o'clock. Well, it's 11:58. I just need a spot, people. Alright guys, I think literally 20 minutes later, close to 20 minutes later, I finally got a spot. I put it for 2.5 hours. So now I'm gonna have a little bit of water. Then I'm gonna walk to get my toes done. I have to pee so bad, and I didn't have time to get food. So, hopefully, I can get food in between. Cause, yeah, that just didn't happen. Alright, I'm like sweating, but it's really cold out. Put my gloves on. I brought my flip-flops. I don't want to walk around in flip-flops, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do when you get your toes done in a city. This isn't a city, but like downtown. So, let's go. Guys, so I just got my toes done. Got a cute little pinky red color. Oh my god, you can't see a thing because the sun's behind us.
Yeah.
Alright, so Julie and I just got our nails done. Oh. We were saying we literally, I don't even think you can see, but we got the Mariah and Julia version of Fun. Oh yes. No, I'm in flip-flops.
Yikes.
And it's slushy. I got like pretty much white with sparkles, and Julia got a like peachy color with sparkles, and usually we get white and peach, so
there we go.
We thought we'd be fun. Yeah. Festive.
We're both hangry.
Yes, we need food. Wait, so are you not gonna eat?
I don't know. I might just like, maybe I'll just get the Brussels sprout salad there.
Oh, not a bad idea. I know, yeah. I feel like I need to be home by 4.
Yeah.
Because I need to pack still. Also, my feet feel like they're gonna fall off.
Yeah, because then I think I'm gonna stay in town and Christmas, or like finish my Christmas shopping, so.
Nice.
That'll be good.
Alright, I need to put this down. Hi guys, so as I was saying, Julie and I got our nails done. I got my toes done before that, and I haven't had a second to eat. Also, I didn't know that parking was free in downtown, and I paid $5 to park, and it was free, but they still charged me. I feel like they shouldn't charge you, but yeah, I got my nails done. Can you see them? They're really pretty. They look like snow. And then I'm gonna go home and eat something. I'm thinking an egg and bacon sandwich. That sounds really good, but it's already like 3 o'clock, and Dylan's gonna be home soon. Well, in like 3 hours to have dinner. So I'll just have that. And I need to finish packing. I wanna like pack and be done before Dylan gets home. So then we can just relax. We're gonna watch a Christmas movie and eat our Christmas cookies and chill before I have to wake up and leave at 2:30 to go to the airport. Yay. So yeah, that's what's going on, and hopefully, I don't know what I was gonna say. Hopefully I'll get home soon so I can eat, because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since like 9:30. This might be a new personal record. Because if you know me, you know I have to eat every 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes less than that. I'm so hungry. I need to stop talking about it and thinking about it, because I'm gonna go insane. But don't worry, I have some ranch. Julie was like, nice ranch. I was like, thank you. Well, I'm getting gas. I still have my flip-flops on. It's really cold. And I haven't eaten yet, because I literally was about to pull into my house, and I was like, I need gas. So now I'm here. I'm so hungry. Hi guys, so I'm pretty much done packing until like the stuff I need until the morning. So I need like my retainer, my I have my jewelry now actually, laptop charger, camera charger, and snacks. But it actually went really smooth, so that's good. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. I'm probably gonna import this footage into my laptop and start editing this before Dylan gets home. It's 5:20 right now, so I'll probably go down and start making dinner in like a half hour. Yeah, we're just gonna have soup and salad, and it's gonna be really good. I'm excited. It's a good day for soup. But yeah, I just want to update you. Everything's good to go. I have my little list there of things that I still need. My carry-on, my suitcase. I have my plain outfit right here. I'm just gonna go big and comfy tomorrow with a big comfy sweatshirt. And, oh, my rain jacket. I can't forget that. Because it's gonna be raining in Florida tomorrow. So I need that. Alright, I'm gonna get to work on editing this. Hi guys, I just took my makeup off. We had dinner. We're making cookies. But I thought I'd end the vlog here, because we're gonna watch a movie and eat cookies.
Yup.
I have to leave. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys liked today's video. Watch out for tomorrow's travel video. And be cute if you vlogged while I was gone, but I know we wouldn't do that, so I will.
How would I do that?
On your phone.
How would I upload it?
Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
See ya.